Hey, what's happening? I'm Claudio, and today I'm gonna keep working on the deck. What else is there to do? So last week I showed you that we poured the 2 concrete landing pads for the stairs, as well as building the entire structure. This time I'm gonna be bringing a ton of beautiful redwood boards and fastening them in place. I'm gonna be using some 3-inch coated deck screws to fasten everything down. I didn't really care to spend the extra money to hide the screws. Any kind of natural board that you're gonna put on the deck is gonna have some sort of bow or twist or cup to it. So when I screw them down, right before I do that, I have to either push or pull it just to get the perfect spacing all the way across. After I had screwed down all the boards, I trimmed off all the edges that I had let run wild. The other thing that I did was use a router with a little round over and went over all the edges. It gives it a really professional look. So if you want to see what I did, stick around. Let's make it now.